So, should you quit your job to start your business idea? That answer really, I think, depends on, I think it's a individual basis. I mean, if you have a separate savings for your business idea and then you still have money for your monthly living expenses that you can live off of for maybe 2 to 3 years, maybe four, then yeah, your savings will deplete very quickly. Like starting something is you're going to run through your savings. But most people, I think, don't. Most people I know, they don't have those type of nest eggs set up like that. So, a lot of us, we have to still work our jobs and build the business on the side. But there are some instances, and I do believe this, where quitting your job might be a good thing to do. And, I think a lot of reasons why people don't want to work a traditional 9 to 5 or work at their jobs, I don't really think it's the work itself. I think it's just the environment. I think the work environment is just, a lot of people just don't want to deal with a lot of stuff that goes on. I mean, it's just a lot of childish behavior, just some bullying, and also, the pay. A lot of times the pay doesn't justify the work. It's constant um, adding to the workload, new policies, new procedures, and the pay is the same. I think a lot of people are kind of fed up with that. Unfortunately, there's some people who have been laid off recently. That's why I think it's important to kind of start to have something that's yours, just in case you get laid off. You have something in your pocket that can sustain you if you happen to lose your job. Like these corporations, the counties, the states, the government, they don't really have people's best interests in mind. I think having something of your own, even if you do still keep your job, because having a job is it's not a bad thing. I think most people can say, hey, all right, I can deal with this job. I can deal with even not getting paid what I think I should be getting paid. I'll do it because we have bills to pay. Health insurance, the job can also help to fund our business idea. So it does become bad, however, when it affects your mental health. And I know a lot of places they're just toxic. So I think a lot of people, especially after COVID, after being home and being away, realize that, oh my God, I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back to that. But you still have to make a living. You still have to earn money. You still have, to take care of your kids and put food on the table, pay your bills, rent, your mortgage, your lights, your gas, your insurance. It's just, sometimes these jobs the environment is just not the best. It's not healthy. And you can't think. Individual decision. It's not something everybody can do. It's something everybody wants to do, yeah, but not something everybody can do. It is tough working and trying to build out a business idea. It's not easy, but it can be done. It just takes time. Now, if you're somebody who can quit your job and start your business idea, then I would say do it. I know a lot of people, trust me, that want to quit their job until that time comes where you can, where you can walk away, where you can quit. I'm going to park on the other side. So I'm going to run in here really quick and check on the water. That's good. How much more you need? 90? What are you trying to get a soda?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a second.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Let me see, I'll give you some change. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That should be enough, right? The soda is 150, yeah.
Okay.
Um, honey buns are just about gone. There's only one honey bun left.
Thanks again for the change.
You're welcome. Have a good day. All right, let's see the water. Water. And I always check the coins when I come here because I get, oh wow, it's low. I have to fill the coins up. You see there? The coins are really low. Look at that. Almost no dimes in there. I'm gonna fill that up. I'm sorry?
Take this one.
Which one? Raspberry?
Yeah, that.
The nuts? Okay. Thank you. Put one more. All right, let's. Alrighty. So we got it nice and full. me restock. I'm gonna restock the M&Ms while I'm here. M&Ms are out. I always leave change in the machine in case of I need to fill it up on a day like today. The coins were just about empty in the drink machine. So let's see. Let's fill up some M&Ms. Do you have any M&Ms in here? We do. Oh, I have one. I have to bring some more M&Ms down.